Talafalava everyone. Good morning from Brisbane, Australia. I like to start by saying Happy Australian Day to everyone who resides in Australia, and Happy Auckland Day, mo lata o lo'olalama I tono o Kilani. We had a busy day today, so we started very early in the morning. We did a umu. Yeah, le lawa umanga fo ile umu. We're about to head off to, spend the day with our families as we're celebrating this beautiful country that we live in. From me and my family, always grateful for Australia, for this country. Anyway, I wanted to give you an update. So yesterday we did a Zoom, our business, our team, our side hustle. So we did a Zoom. Most of our leaders were available, which was great. And we've all come together, after the break. We did a Zoom 2 weeks ago when we did our giveaway, but it was a business overview. So all we did was share what we do to our guests, and then that was it. But last night was our first time as a team, affiliates only, to come together as a team and just kind of like catch up and pick up from where we left last year. I know lewa makangala umalima singa mo morga sanga, but the first month we're trying to get back into it. So anyway, as we're waiting for people to come in, one of our boss lady from American Samoa shared. I wanted to share just to fill the time, and then she shared her story. I forgot to record the Zoom. I would have loved to share on here, her own, like a video of herself telling the story last night, but I did screen record her story. But for some reason there's no sound, like it only captured the. Anyway, I'm gonna retell her story. I'm surely she's gonna do a video later and share her story. But she joined last year, maybe 6 months in the business already, and ever since she joined, she's a teacher. She's like by profession, she's a teacher, and she's also studying, a teacher and the students. So, and then she ran this side hustle. She's looking after her parents, and she's a very busy boss mama. Anyway, her husband never believed in what she does, never believed in her. So all this time is skeptic, Ali husband now. And then she said until the holiday season, Christmas period, and this is the time we're all broke up after Christmas. So because she gets paid fortnightly. So on their way to the bank, maybe there was a delay with the Christmas period. So and then she remembered that she's got her card from the side hustle that we promote. So if I call a card, if I akalong ko long fai mai vai sisiki o maling a card. So anyway, a long story short, they went to the ATM. He was too embarrassed to try the card so that she can record a video, so she ended up trying it herself. There was a long line up to the ATM. So you kind of like kukuma mau mai o ngi wa decline le ai se kupe mawa o nga mai le kangaka ye kuku But anyway, she knows what she was doing. She knows that she's entitled to the money in the account. She knows that a lot of us have been accessing our money into our cards. She believes that nothing is going to stop her from accessing her own money. She worked hard for it. And she said, and then I think the moment of truth was when may take your card, please take your cash. All is green. And then from then on, he's now very supportive of her business. And these are real story. I thought I wanted to share this with you guys because some people you know, olo dauta nga malole ka kong ekele oi fa mangianga le available mo tato umalava. So I'm sharing story because I share my story. I've used my card so many times. I've shared, you know, videos of my family using my card. A lot of people in our team have used their card as well, but I'll continue to share story. This is the first one from American Samoa for our team only. So yeah, I wanted to share that because it could reach other people in American Samoa who are still sitting on the fence and doubting. Or kausangi luafe luas fulmaliono. This is, you know, lifka amaka kausanga. Start something that will give back to you. We've got, you know, 11 more months to go, 11 more months to make, you know, important decision, to make life changes, decisions. And like what we did last year, I made this decision in March last year to invest 50 USD in myself. And then I started my business. So I sat on it for 2 months until May. Then I decided that I'm going to, you know, put in some effort. For that first 2 months, I was only getting like 50 cents a month. So, which was nothing because that kind of income, that passive income, which is part of the 7 ways that we can get paid, it's a long-term thing. It takes time. You get paid 50 cents, 25 cents, you get paid a few dollars. But if you continue to stay active as a member, you know, there is a chance that you can reach up to, you can earn up to few years down the track, maybe 3, 4, 5 years. I don't know how long it's going to take. No one knows how long it's going to take. But one thing we know for sure is that when your matrix is full, you can earn up to 2,000 So there's potential in this business. The company behind our business is, man, amazing. It's growing. It's reaching a lot of people, over 200 countries in the world. It's changing a lot of lives. I've got 2 stories because we have products, but maybe I'll record that in the next video. But ole asfalele sa fusilo lima ke manga mailinga luenga. It was so painful. Even holding my phone, it was a struggle. Like if I look off, I needed my husband to help me, you know, sip my off. It was that bad. But then last night, or the night before last night, we have supplements with these organic supplements. The only reason why I have this tablet here at home for my friend who's got but so I thought, oh well, joints. So I took a tablet and I woke up in the morning and I'm like, where's the pain? It's just completely calm. Amazing. I woke up this morning. You know, I was not feeling well. I even told my husband, anyway, I took my supplements, my vitamin D and my multivitamin, and it's like the next few minutes while I was still sitting down, my husband too. You know, when you put the good stuff in your body, you know, your body heals itself. So that's my story. But I wanted to share, you know, those stories. Those are my stories about the products. But this is the story that I shared before was my business partner's story about her business. So living it out here, if you are still looking for a side hustle, there's so many side hustles out there promising a lot of money. This is just simple. Add into your platform if you're already doing something else, or if you haven't done anything, reach out and we can get you started. Anyway, happy Australian Day again. Happy Auckland Day. God bless. Thank you.